G'day, it's Patrick Ho, Managing Director of Fisheries R&D Corporation. Happy New Year for 2022 and welcome to FRDC's first edition of our new online news. Hope you are going to enjoy this new format that we've got. Like I and many other people, we've spent a lot of time over the oceans over Christmas and the New Year, and I enjoy it for many reasons. I like to angle and go fishing. People like to eat seafood. There's cultural needs, and you know, we've got a real connection with our aquatic habitat in Australia. It's really important to us. It was really pleasing for me and a lot of other people that just prior to Christmas this year, we had the first opportunity to see southern bluefin tuna go from yellow to green in the States of Australian Fish Stock Report. This is an amazing achievement. It does reflect the fact that with research and fisheries management and industry working together, we can recover stocks that have been overfished. That achievement couldn't have been done without organisations like the Australian Fisheries Management Authority, the Department of Ag and Water Environment, the Fisheries Branch, CSIRO, ABARES, and most importantly, the Australian Southern Bluefin Tuna Industry Association. So well done to all of those. So the pandemic's brought lots of change, and FRDC's changing. As I said, this is the first online issue of our FRDC News. And we hope that you enjoy it. Please give us your feedback, tell us what you want to hear. We're very keen to tailor it, make sure it's got the information that you're looking for, and most importantly, that it's more frequent so that you can get your information in a timely manner. And the other big change this year, the really exciting change, is that, as many of you know, we've just advertised for extension officers all around the country. So every jurisdiction will have an extension officer working for FRDC, making sure that the adoption of research really does happen, and that we work with you to make sure that you get the most benefit from all the research that we do, particularly the hard work and the investment that people put into it. So really encourage people to reach out through that new extension network, and those people who would be interested in applying for those jobs, you know, please approach FRDC and look at our online ad in various media out there. Lastly, 2022, let's hope we can all get together. Engagement's really important to us. Our staff are really keen to meet with you and see you around the country. Hoping that's going to happen this year. The seafood industry, the angling industry, and the cultural needs of our Indigenous people are really important to us in the research community, and we want to make sure that we're meeting your needs. So happy 2022, and I'm looking forward to many times to come.